Whew. Okay, let's try it again. Got my channel locks, my vice grips. I want to call them my vice grips, my channel locks. These are channel locks. Okay, I couldn't tighten those up underneath there. The vice grips, I got them because you can click it right into position. And I did that, and now I'm going to try once again to get this off of here. Okay. This is situated. Come on. Huh. It's not wanting to come off. Now, come on. What's the deal here? I have to have somebody come out here and hang on to it for me? I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, I see. Okay. Reposition the vice grips under there and try it again. Incidentally, when you do this, take your cabinet doors off, and I went ahead and did that so I don't break a door, spring a door, or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna actually reach under here and kind of hold that into place, I think, where it is, and try to get this off at the same time. Come on, Betsy. Ah, come on. Okay. Now reach under here and hang on to the vice grips at the same time. Nah, it's not wanting to go. Okay. Come on. Boy. There. Got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah. There. Wow. Hey there. Boom. There she be. The old one. That's it. Now I can put the new one back in there. Set that in there. The threads are right in there. Now it's pretty tight right there, but I want to go just a hair tighter. And I've got to reach under here and hold my vice grips in such a manner. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. I can take my vice grips off underneath here. Bear with me. This is what I call my vice grips. These are like needle nose vice grips. So you clamp it down, and you can tighten it and clamp it wherever you want, and then you release the handle by that. And then you can tighten it, loosen it, whatever. I put that there, and then this was up against a piece of wood, but I still had to hold on to that. Okay, now I got that pretty good, but I'm going to go underneath and see. I think I have to turn that just a little bit more for where the wires are, because I don't want the main pipes to be kinked or anything. This is tight here. I could put it all together right there, but I'm going to look under here and I'm going to turn the body of that just a little bit more, and I'll probably take my my vice grips or my channel locks under there and do that. Okay, be back in a minute.